Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in this nail polish of the week video I'm going to swatch and just talk about one specific nail polish color. But before we're going in with the color, you want to start off with clean nails. Make sure that your cuticles are pushed back and you just have a perfect base to start on. So I am going to use a base coat first. Of course, this one is by Essence, but you can use any base coat of your likings. It doesn't really matter. But the color we are going to use today is more on the reddish side. So red colors can definitely stain your nails pretty badly, and just to make sure that they won't get stained or discolored or anything like that, just apply a good layer of base coat and cap off the edges as well. You could also choose to just apply 2 coats of base coat. That is also really helpful, and just make sure that every single layer of base coat and nail polish is completely dry before you go in with the next. So for this nail polish of the week color, I'm going in with a Gold Effect nail polish by Catrice. This is like a sub collection for their regular nail polish collections, and this one is called 01 Attracting Pomp. For some reason I really don't get the name. I don't know what it means. I don't know what they want it to mean. I don't know, I'm lost. So if anyone knows what the pump part means, I don't get it. I don't get any pump vibes from this, but the color is really gorgeous nonetheless. I really love it. It is a beautiful reddish, a darker reddish tone. It's not as red as the color I was wearing on my right hand on the thumb. That's like a classic red. This one is a little bit more deep, a little bit more muted in my opinion. But it does contain a ton of beautiful shimmer and glitter and just a little bit of flakiness and a beautiful gold tone. This entire collection by Catrice, this sub collection, is based upon really rich and royal colors with a lot of gold sparkle in there. So that's why this color also contains a lot of sparkle. I think it is so beautiful. It is perfect for the holiday season, but really a gorgeous color to use any time of year. I feel like it's really warm and it just gives a beautiful royal effect to the nails, and I really love it. Even though I rarely use red colors on my own nails, I really like this one just because it has so much glitter and shimmer, and you know me, I love anything sparkly. This is definitely one of my favorites, and I'm going to wear a ton of this color during the holiday season. So as you can see, almost completely opaque with the first coat, but I'm just going to let this dry completely before I go in with the second layer. You can see there's a little bit of patchiness going on if you really look at the nails up close, but a second thin layer will definitely fix that. I think you can even get away with just 1 coat if you have really short nails and not a long free edge like I have, but I personally really love to have a super opaque effect. I don't like my natural smile line to peek through. Some people really like that, but for me it's just nothing. Not for me, at least. The really jelly polishes can be really beautiful, but I just don't like it on my hands and my nails. I don't know why. It's just, I don't know, not for me, I guess. But this color is just gorgeous. I love it so much. And definitely get it if you can get your hands on this collection. Every single color from this collection is so beautiful. You can do a lot of nail art with them. You can actually stamp with these polishes as well. I did so with the rose gold color in one of my previous videos, earlier. If you want to check it out, just check it out on my channel. You will find it, I'm sure about that. But yeah, this was already 2 layers of this color. They do dry really quickly as well because they are quite metallic-y, and just shimmery and glittery shimmery metallic polishes just dry really fast as well. After that, I just went in with one of my Essence top coats. I just really wanted to switch it up a little bit because usually I only use base coats by Essence and the top coats by Catrice, but my Catrice top coat is running out pretty badly. And I just don't want to scrape with my little brush in the bottle, and it's just a hassle to get any of the product out. So I think I'm going to just throw the last little bit out and just go on with this top coat by Essence, which is really nice as well. This is a recently bought one. I think this was like 189 in euros or something, so again really affordable, and it dries pretty quickly as well. Oh, by the way, the price of the Catrice color I'm using today was €3.59, but prices may vary a little bit depending where you live. I know that in the States, Catrice can be a little bit more pricey, but I know that in Germany it's even cheaper than here in the Netherlands, like a couple of cents, like 20 cents or something. So yeah, they're really, really affordable. They are vegan, they are cruelty free, and you can see like they have great quality polishes. And yeah, I just really, really love the brand. But this was already my next nail polish of the week video. Let me know what you think about this color. Are you just as in love with it as I am? Let me know. I'm really curious about that. Personally, I'm just in love with the shimmer it gives. It's just a really unique, glittery color with a lot of flakes, and it's just beautiful. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video.